This Wi-Fi is impossible. I can't get anything done.
Okay, so if we move this wall here...
Yeah, that could work. Wait, what's wrong?
Ugh, the Wi-Fi just went out. Everything was going smoothly. Until this happened. Annoying, isn't it? Dropped connections, interrupted deployments, missed deadlines. The cost of poor Wi-Fi planning is higher than you think. Most engineers still rely on guesswork for something as critical as their network. Meet WiFi Weave, your AI-powered Wi-Fi planning tool. Engineered for precision, built for performance. Trusted by engineers, IT teams, and MSPs. From office floors to smart factories. From downtime to full control. Plan smarter. Eliminate guesswork. Work uninterrupted. WiFi Weave. Build it right before it goes live.